Racing just started with TJ's Gold. Break quickly restart Santino's Best. Handsome Prince is Spartan. Then next online is One Eye Jane. Humble Submission, while Pacienciosa is the early trainer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Handsome Prince takes command. Link and you have TJ's Gold in second, Santino's Best, One Eye Jane, then comes Humble. The submission is Spartan second last, while Pacienciosa is still racing in last. Racing down the backstretch, we have Handsome Prince by about 2 lines. TJ's Gold in second, One Eye Jane. Santino's Best is Spartan is on the outside. Humble submission comes next, while Pacienciosa is still racing in last. Another fourth turn, we have TJ's Gold now takes command. Handsome Prince, One Eye Jane is Spartan now moving up on the outside. Santino's Best, Humble submission, and Pacienciosa, and they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to One Eye Jane is Spartan. TJ's Gold, we have One Eye Jane by about 2 lengths over TJ's Gold, moving upon the outside. Humble submission is Spartan. Last 75 meters, One Eye Jane. Humble submission is on the outside, and finally it's going to be One Eye Jane. Humble submission is Spartan. Pacienciosa, Santino's Best, TJ's Gold.
At ayun, we have an upset, number 5, One Eye Jane, ridden by JB Hernandez. Then masisigundo ron yung number 3 na si Humble Submission is Spartan. Then